Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Ford Ecosport navigation system. First, you'll need to identify your current navigation version and check for available updates. This process ensures you have the most accurate and up-to-date map information for your journeys. We'll cover the steps to download the necessary files and prepare your vehicle for the update, making sure you're ready for a smooth installation. Before starting, visit the official Ford support website. You'll need to locate the correct map update files for your Ecosport model. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection for downloading. Prepare a USB drive, ensuring it's formatted correctly and has sufficient storage, typically at least 16 gigabytes. This preparation is crucial for a successful and error-free update process. Once your USB drive is ready, insert it into your Ford Ecosport's USB port. The system should automatically detect the update files. Follow the clear on-screen instructions to initiate the installation. It's important to keep your vehicle running during this time, as the update can take up to 45 minutes. Do not remove the USB drive until the process is fully complete. After the installation finishes, verify that your navigation system displays the updated map version. You can usually find this information in the system settings. Take a moment to test the new maps by planning a short route to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any unexpected issues or errors, don't hesitate to consult your owner's manual or contact Ford customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.